In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the 2023 Business Docs question. And it was a short question here, question 3. So you would have 2.5 minutes in which to answer this question. So it reads, complete the following extract from a credit note issued by Monty Pet Care Limited. So just while we are here, a credit note, this is a returns document. So a credit note was written by Monty Pet Care back to one of its customers. So quantity 20 dog kennels, and the reason why they were sent back or received back in was because they were damaged in transit. So the code DK 100, price each €100, total €2,000. So the total excluding VAT was €2,000. Now, a lot of businesses sometimes give trade discounts to customers, and that's to try and entice them to shop with them. Okay, so they might lose their custom to somebody else who gives them trade discount if they don't give them trade discount. So it is very important to note that we take the trade discount away. So a lot of students would add that figure by mistake. So the subtotal there would be €1,800. Now, what we do is we have to calculate the VAT. So we have 1,800 multiplied by 23 and then find the percent button on your calculator, or punch in 1,800 multiplied by 0.23 and you will get your VAT amount 414. And then it's very important to realise that we're taking trade discount away, but we are adding the value added tax. So the value added tax, that is a tax on goods and services that the business collects, and then they send it to the revenue commissioners, who are the collecting agent of tax in our country. So you might get that as a question in another part of your exam. So the total including VAT there is €2,214. And that is the 2023 Business Docs question.